Hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to change the Zoom password. So I've been searching for around about 20 minutes to search how to change the password in Zoom on my PC, but I couldn't find it. But immediately I open my phone, my Android phone, and then I open my Zoom, and then it's really easy to change the password of your Zoom in Zoom app on Android. It's supposed to be on iOS is similar method. So here I already opened my Zoom and then click this more, and then you can see this is the option of my uh, oops I mean you can click this my profile, your profile. After you click that one, uh, on the list here you can see update password. I couldn't find it on the Zoom PC or on nor on the browser on the PC, so you have to log on to your Zoom phone to make it easier to change your password. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's it, please subscribe our channel, or you can just put thanks on down below. It really we will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.